special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 11:45 p.m., 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:48 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots from 43 nautical miles west of Winthrop Harbor to 51 nautical miles west of Wilmette Harbor, moving east at 35 knots. Mariners can expect dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Thursday morning for southern Lake Michigan. The following is a